In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a read-only channel in Discord Mobile. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally anything that you're using Discord on. So what we're going to have to go ahead and do is firstly open up the Discord application. You can do it on anything you're using, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, anything like that. Now I have this Discord server right here. You can only create it if you're like an admin or an owner of a Discord server. Now, let's say I want to go ahead and create a text channel. What I got to go ahead and do is on the top left, go ahead and click on the name of the Discord server, like so. I'm going to see create channel as one of the options. Now, all I got to go ahead and do is I can, call it whatever I want. So we're just going to say something like test. Now, I can make it a private channel if I want to, but I want to still be able to have people see it and everything. So now, as you can see, it's a channel. All I got to do is long press on it, and then I can see edit channel as one of the options. Now, I'm going to see a lot of different things here, and all I got to go ahead and do is go over to channel permissions, like so. And then what I could do is basically add a role where it's going to be like a read-only role or anything like that. So I can add like this role right here. And then basically I can disable it from sending messages. So when they're disabled from sending messages and I have that as a role, I'll then be able to basically it's then going to allow me to, they're not going to be able to send a message or anything like that in it. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.